A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all doing? Great? Yes, all right. My dear students, today we are going to understand a little more about the usage of a dictionary. A dictionary. Who amongst you is ready to tell me what exactly is a dictionary and how or for what purposes do we use it? Who's ready to answer that question?
Ma'am,
Yes, I request everybody to
Ma'am
kindly
Catherine.
mute their devices and speak when I call out your name. Yes, Catherine, unmute, please. Tell me the answer.
A book with lots of words and meanings. It
And
helps us to understand the meanings.
yes, your answer is absolutely right. A dictionary is a book which contains a lot of words in it. And not just the words, their meanings, their forms, or what kind of a word is it? Is it a noun? Is it an adjective? And so on will be informed in that book. Apart from this, their pronunciation is also very clearly given in the dictionary. So if you are finding any difficulty in trying to read out a word or understand its meaning, the book that you have to go for is the dictionary. Right? So today we are going to understand a little more about the dictionary. I request everybody to be on page number 56 of your literature workbook part 2. 5656. Page number 56. Okay. In the previous session, we understood and did some exercises based on arrangement of words in alphabetical order. Arrangement of words in alphabetical order. Right? Okay. Athar, unmute. Can you tell me what do you understand by the term alphabet? What is an alphabet? Or what is the alphabet? Yes? Alphabet? Think about it. Who wishes to answer? Yes, Niharika, page number 56. Anybody else wishes to answer? What is the alphabet?
Ma'am,
Yes, Niharika, unmute.
Ma'am, letters in English.
All the letters in the English, used in the English language, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Beginning from?
ma'am, a group of letters.
Yes, it is exactly a collection or group of letters, a collection of letters. Okay, Shringa, no worries. It is not mandatory to you for you to have the dictionary with you. No worries. I've clearly sent the message. Those who have may please keep it because you will be able to check it then and there. That's it, nothing else. Athar, how many letters are there in the English alphabet? Unmute.
26.
Yes. Now, did you understand? All the letters from A till Z taken together as a group is called the English alphabet. And keep in mind, each one is called a letter. It is a very commonly made mistake that these are called alphabets. These are not called alphabets. Each one is called a letter, and the entire collection of 26 letters is called the alphabet. Got it? Understood the difference? Keep that in mind. All right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Athar. Good effort. Now, let me share the screen. I have brought this because I knew that maybe some of you will not be having the dictionary with you. Are you able to see the shared screen, my dear ones? Yes,
Yes,
sure.
ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, I want you to observe these two words that I'm going to, I'll try to circle them. Okay. Try to read these words. 1 second. Vedika, unmute and read these two words on top. Unmute. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Please read the two words given on top of the page.
ma'am, can you zoom it? I can't see.
You are not able to see it.
I can see
What
the.
now?
Ma'am, we are able to see it.
You're
But,
able to
ma'am,
see it.
It is
now it's
splitted.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll read it, no worries. Cassock, Kessock, and the other word on the right hand side is cat, cat. Kessock and cat. Okay? Now, these two words written on the top part of each dictionary are called the guide words. What are they called?
Guide words.
The guide words. These are called the guide words. Who can say the spelling of guide? Yes, Prarthana. Guide. Prarthana, unmute.
Guide.
Yes, Guide. Guide. WORDS. Guide words.
Good.
Okay. Now, the first word, that is Kessock. Cassock. Did you notice that it is the first word given on the top amongst the two words? That word will always be the first word of that particular page. That particular page. See here? Cassock. Kessock. Got it? And the other word on the right hand side will be the last word of that particular page. Those who have the dictionary with them can just check. Are you able to check? Now, the most important part of this guide words is that on a particular page, there will be words which come between these two words. Only these words will be there as per the alphabetical order. Cassock till cat. Okay? Did you notice that the first two letters are the same? CA. So starting from S till T, S and T are two consecutive letters, right? PQRST. So just imagine how many words are there between these two letters. How many different words are there which can be formed? Did you notice? So many details about each word are given here. If I zoom it, it is not clear at all. That is why I cannot zoom it. Those who have the dictionary are requested to go through it. Yes, Mayasa, unmute. Mayasa, unmute. What is it? Do you want to say something
Ma'am, I didn't understand it.
about the dictionary? Do you have one with you?
No, ma'am.
No, no worries. Are you able to see this page which I have shared here?
Ma'am, I can see, but I cannot actually. It's not clear.
This is the page of a dictionary. That is the reason. Let me try to share it in another way. One second.
But ma'am, I can only see the
Those who
page.
are having network issues, maybe they are not able to see it. But this is the
I'm not
page
the.
of a dictionary. Sorry? What I was trying to tell you is, I want you to notice these two words, kesok and cat. These are the two words which are present on the top part of the page. This is just one page of the dictionary. As a sample, I have brought it. These two words are called the guide words. Guide words. The word on the left part will be the first word of this particular page, and the word on the right hand side will be the last word of this particular page. And all the words between these two words on this page will be words that come in between the word kesok and the word cat. These two words given on the topmost part of the page are called the guide words. What are they called? Guide words. Okay. The first one on the left side will be the first word of this page, and the last word, and the second word will be the last word of this particular page. That much is enough for you to understand. So whenever you are searching for a particular word in a dictionary, try to locate the page which has these guide words, which are close to the word that you are searching for, as per their spelling. Understood? Then it will be easier for you to locate any particular word. A dictionary is a huge collection of words, right? So when you begin, you may be finding it a bit jittery. But when you have some hints in your mind, it will become easy for you. So, as per the spelling, try to look at the top two guide words. Then you will get an idea about the word that you are trying to search for, whether that particular word will be there in that particular page. That you have to check as per the alphabetical order of the word. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So check the guide words. You will surely get an idea whether the word that you are searching for is there on that particular page or not. Okay?
Madam, but have.
Sorry, you don't have. My dear students, it is a must at every home to have a dictionary. Even if it is a small one, pocket dictionary, that will definitely be of use to you. Okay? Let me stop sharing then. See, as I said, kesok is the first word on the page and cat is the last word on the page. This will be the situation in all the pages of the dictionary. Is it clear to you now? Yes, you have some idea about it, right? So those who have a dictionary with them, I want them to try and locate a few words. You search your own words, or else I will send you the words and you search for them. Without any guidance, I'll try to send you some words. I want you to search those words and write their meanings. Ready? Let us do that. I'll send the words after the session.
Yes.
Okay, those who have can try to do that.
Okay.
Now, let us move to exercise 2.2. 2.2 on the same page. I want Sri Bhadra to unmute and read. Yes, Sri Bhadra, please
Okay,
read.
ma'am. Exercise 2.2. The guide words given on the dictionary page.
Guide words. Guide words.
Given on the dictionary page. Based on the guide words, write whether the words given below will appear on this page. Put a tick
For
for yes
yes,
and cross.
cross for no.
One is done for you.
Okay. Now, which are the two guide words on this page?
And
Sorry?
hand and hair.
You must read the first word first. Hair and hand. Joyrik, please sit properly. Hair and hand. Okay.
Ma'am.
What is the page number given there? The number given there is the page number of that the dictionary. 292. Did you notice?
Yes, ma'am.
Now have a look at the words hair. Did you notice a letter N written there? Small letter N in italics. Did you notice? What does that N mean? I said to you, right? What form of a word is that particular word will be mentioned there? What is N? Who can guess what is that N? Yes, Ain Maria, unmute and tell me. What is that N?
Meanings?
N. No. See, notice that small letter N near the word hair. H-A-I-R. What do you understand by that N? Did you notice? Yes, Maya's unmute. Try. What is that N? Unmute. Why? Try. You are facing network issues, I think. Yeah, say, Mayasa.
Noun.
Noun. Yes, it is a noun. N stands for noun there. And did you notice the N near hamster?
Yes. Ma'am.
Yeah. That is also a noun. That is also a noun. Okay, let us move ahead with the exercise. Now, first one, Achyut, unmute. H-A-N-D, hand. Will it be there on the page?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you repeat the question?
Yes, the word on page number 56. 6 words are given. We have to find whether these words will be there on page number 292. Okay?
Volume is very low.
H-A-N-D, hand. Will it be there on that page?
Sorry, ma'am, it's very low.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Shrenga, unmute.
Ma'am,
Tell me. Shrenga, unmute.
low.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
tell me. Will the word hand be there on that page?
Ma'am, I don't have dictionary.
No worries. You just understand. There is no need to look at the dictionary now. See, the 2 guide words are hair and hand. It is given there on your book, in your book. Page number 56. Look at it.
Yes, ma'am.
So, tell me, these 6 words, out of these, the word hand, will it be there on that page or not? That is what I'm asking.
Yes.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. It is a yes. So put a tick mark in the circle on front of the word, in front of the word. Got it?
Ma'am.
Let me share the screen once again.
Ma'am, it is already there.
The tick is already there, yes. What about the second word? H-A-B-I-T. H-A-B-I-T. Will it be there?
No.
H-A-B-I-T.
No.
Why?
In the
Speak.
not there.
Will it be there or not?
No.
Why? Tell me the reason.
Because dictionary.
Because
dictionary guided.
Huh?
Ma'am,
The
I didn't
Say it
understand.
clearly. Say it clearly.
in dictionary page there is no habit.
Yeah, the letter B will not come between the two words hair and hand. Yes? Is that
Yes,
what you're trying to say, Sribhadra?
ma'am.
Yes, you are absolutely right. So let me write down these words here. One is hand, H-A-N-D, hand. It will be there for sure, right? The second word is habit,
Habit.
H-A-B-I-T, habit. It will not be there because the two guide words are hair and hand. So the letter B will not come, right? Between I and N, B cannot come. So it will not be there. Good effort, Sribhadra. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Aditya Krishna, unmute and try H-A-R-D. H-A-R-D. Will it be there? Aditya, oh, you're facing network issues. Can you hear me? Yeah, tell me, will it be there? H-A-R-D.
Yes, ma'am.
R, H-A is common between I and N. R will come?
No.
No. So you decide and tell me, will it be there or not?
No.
No, it will not be there. Okay. Now, let us try the fourth one. H-A-L-F. Adira, unmute. H-A-L-F. Will it be there?
No.
L. See, H
No.
and A are common. The next two letters are I and N.
No, ma'am.
I-J-K-L-M-N. L comes between M and N. So there are chances that it may be there. It will be there. Did you understand, Adira?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. When the first two letters of a word are same, we have to look at the next letter, right? And the next
My
letter comes
timer
between
takes it.
I and N. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be there, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, let's try the next one. Hammer. H-A-M-M-E-R. Vaishnav, unmute. Vaishnav,
Yes,
unmute.
ma'am.
H-A-M-M-E-R. Hammer. Will it be there?
It will be there.
Why? Can you tell me the reason why? You are absolutely right, but I want the reason. Tell me. Yes, Pranav, I understood what you're trying to say.
M is before
Because the
N.
guide words are hair and hand. And the letter M comes between the two letters I and N. I-J-K-L-M. So the word hammer will be there on that page. Is it clear to you? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shringa
Yes.
VS, unmute. Try the next one, 6. Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Unmute, my dear. Why? Try again. Yeah, okay. H-O-R-S-E. Will it be there or no? Look at the guide words. When you have to locate any particular word in a dictionary, the first thing that you need to do is look at the guide words on top of the page. Then from that itself, you will be able to understand whether that word will be there in the page, in that page or not. Yes? Who else wants to answer? Come on, come on. Yes, Shri Bhadra, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, will it be there?
No.
No. Can you tell me the reason? Anne Maria, sit properly.
The guide words are hair and hand.
And hair and hand, yes.
O will not come in between I and N.
No. O is the second letter of the word, right? And here in the guide words, the second letter for both the guide words is A. So there is no chance for second letter O as a word to come there. Understood?
Yes.
Here the second letter of the word itself is different. So we have to check that. Yes? Did you get some idea about how this is to be done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. May I stop sharing? Have
Yes.
you noted down the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sure. Okay,
Yes,
let me stop sharing. I request those who have... Yes, Athar, you want to ask me something? Unmute, my dear. What is it? Yeah?
Where you take some exercise now. Can you send the pages?
I cannot hear you. Speak louder.
Ma'am, last day you took some exercise now. Can you send the pages?
I sent it in the group, alphabetical order. I have sent it in the group, okay? Try to do it. And if you're finding any difficulty in doing it, you may ask. All right? Yes, Achyut, what is it? Unmute. Fast?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I didn't understand what you taught today.
Are you having some network issues?
No,
I think
ma'am,
so.
I didn't understand what you taught today.
Okay. You have a dictionary with you, right?
No, ma'am, it's in my father's home. Now I am in my mother's house.
Okay. So when you go back there, I request you to open it and check a particular page of the dictionary, wherein you will,
Okay, ma'am.
as I have shown here, you will notice the two guide words on top of the page.
Okay,
And
ma'am. I understand.
I'll explain this thing to you once again, all of you. Okay, in the next session, but I can't continue now because it is time for
Okay,
me to
ma'am.
wind up the session. Yes,
ma'am.
Hale, unmute. Hale, unmute. Yes, unmute fast. Unmute,
Ma'am.
yeah.
Dictionary.
Ma'am.
Dictionary.
Yes, ma'am.
That is what I explained, right?
Yeah, I have
Yes.
two dictionary. One.
Okay, fine. We will try to do this once again. We will find or we'll try to locate some particular words in the class itself. Then it will become easier for you. All right? Yes. Okay, so with this, we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.